How to get ChatGPT to write essays. Start by opening ChatGPT on your device. Write 5 ideas for the topic that you want. Then send the chat. It will soon generate the topics. Select the one that you like. Then write "Generate essay outline for the point that you like" with heading. Then send the chat. Continue by write a paragraph for each point and include headings so it is sectioned like an essay. After it generates the paragraph, lastly, turn this into essay. And that's it.